Heraclitus, the Philosopher of Change. Introduction. Heraclitus, born around 535 BCE in the city of Ephesus, located in what is now modern-day Turkey, was a pre-Socratic Greek philosopher whose ideas centered on the nature of change and the fundamental essence of the universe. He is known for his cryptic and profound aphorisms, which earned him the epithet, the obscure, among later philosophers. In this essay, we will explore the life, contributions, and ideas of Heraclitus, shedding light on his significant impact on the development of ancient Greek philosophy. Early life and background. Heraclitus was a philosopher deeply influenced by the cultural and intellectual milieu of his time. Ephesus was a prosperous city with a rich history of trade and commerce, fostering an environment where diverse ideas and perspectives flourished. It was in this vibrant setting that Heraclitus began his philosophical journey. While details about Heraclitus's early life are scarce, his philosophy reflects a profound engagement with the natural world and a fascination with the forces that govern it. His thinking was influenced not only by the prevailing religious and mythological beliefs of his era but also by the intellectual exchanges taking place in the Ionian region, known for its early scientific and philosophical endeavors. Philosophical contributions. Heraclitus's philosophy revolves around several key themes, most notably change, unity, and the nature of reality. His ideas can be categorized into the following areas. 1. Panta-rhei, everything flows. Heraclitus is famously associated with the doctrine of panta-rhei, meaning everything flows, or everything is in a state of flux. He argued that the fundamental nature of reality is one of constant change and transformation. Nothing remains static, everything is perpetually in motion. To illustrate this concept, Heraclitus used the analogy of a river. He famously stated, "You cannot step into the same river twice," emphasizing that both the river and the person are continuously changing. This idea challenged the prevailing notion of a static and unchanging world, promoting a dynamic and evolving perspective. 2. Unity of opposites. In addition to change, Heraclitus believed in the unity of opposites. He posited that opposites, such as hot and cold or day and night, were interconnected and reliant on one another. This notion, encapsulated in his famous statement, "Strife is justice," highlighted that conflict and opposition were essential aspects of the natural order. Unity arises from the tension between opposites. Heraclitus's philosophy can be seen as an early form of dialectical thinking, where contradictions and conflicts lead to greater understanding and harmony. This idea had a profound influence on the development of dialectical philosophies, including those of Plato and Hegel. 3. Logos, cosmic reason. Heraclitus introduced the concept of logos, often translated as reason or word, as the ordering principle of the universe. He believed that this logos was responsible for maintaining the harmony and order within a world characterized by constant change. The logos represented a kind of cosmic intelligence or divine reason that underlay the natural world. Heraclitus's belief in the logos was a precursor to later philosophical and religious concepts, including the Stoic idea of a rational universe and the Christian notion of the word, logos, as the divine source of order and creation. Conclusion. Heraclitus's life and ideas marked a significant turning point in the history of philosophy. His emphasis on change as a fundamental aspect of reality challenged conventional wisdom and set the stage for the development of dialectical thinking and the study of metaphysics in later philosophical traditions. The notion of panta-rhei continues to resonate in contemporary thought, reminding us of the impermanence and fluidity of existence. Heraclitus's contributions, though often enigmatic, have left an enduring legacy, inspiring generations of thinkers to ponder the nature of reality, change, and the interconnectedness of opposites. In essence, Heraclitus remains a timeless figure in the philosophical exploration of the universe's fundamental truths.